Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a quick protein-rich dinner recipe. This mushroom rice pulao is easy to make and can be enjoyed with any side dish of your choice. So let's get started with the recipe. The two main ingredients in this recipe are cooked thooyamalli rice and sliced mushrooms. Now a word about thooyamalli rice for those who are new to this variety of rice. Thooyamalli is an indigenous variety of white rice. This rice is hand pound and it has the most B vitamins among all the rice varieties. Interestingly, thuya means pure and malli means jasmine. This traditional rice looks more like a jasmine bud and hence the reason for the name thooyamalli. Those who has health issues like thyroid, PCOS, do try to include thooyamalli rice, especially in your diet for your better health. I'm heating my kadai with 1.5 tablespoon wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon saunf, also known as jeera in Malayalam. And once it starts to splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in 1 tablespoon cashew-nuts. Give it a stir. Allow the cashew-nuts to get roasted. Once the cashew-nuts are lightly roasted, add in 1 tablespoon raisins and allow the raisins to swell up and get lightly roasted. Once the cashew nuts and raisins are roasted, remove from the kadai. And I'm going to keep this aside. And to this, add in 1 onion finely chopped, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 1 small green chilli finely chopped. Give this a good mix and allow the onion to turn transparent or light pink in color. Add in 200 grams sliced mushrooms. Turn the flame on high. Give this a good mix. Cover and allow the mushrooms to get cooked. A couple of minutes later, open the lid. As the mushroom starts to cook, you can see it is releasing water. So give it a good mix, cover and let it cook on high flame. A couple of minutes later, open the lid, give it a good stir. I'm just making sure that the moisture is absorbed while the mushrooms are getting cooked. Cover again for another minute. About a minute later, open the lid. At this point, the mushrooms are nicely cooked and there's a little bit of moisture in the mushrooms. So that doesn't matter. I'm going to add in some spices. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, 1 teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder. Kashmiri chilli powder has less heat and gives an amazing color to the dish. Now quickly give this all a good mix and let it roast for about 20 to 30 seconds so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Make sure that you're stirring it. We don't want the spices to get burnt or get stick to the bottom of the pan. 20 to 30 seconds later, give it a stir and at this point the raw flavor of the spices has diminished. Add in the cooked thooyamalli rice, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. I didn't add any salt while I was cooking the rice. And give this all a good mix. Now if you don't have the variety of rice I'm using, you can use cooked basmati rice instead. And mix this really well and once everything is nicely mixed, turn off the flame. Squeeze in half a lemon, finely chopped coriander leaves and give it all a good mix. Add in the roasted cashew nuts and raisins. Mix well and my super healthy, quick and easy mushroom rice pulao is ready to serve. Transfer this to a serving bowl. So guys, you try this healthy mushroom pulao and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.